Video to fix an NZXT Kraken Series water pump making a grinding sound. And if your cooler is noisy, vibrating, or the pump seems stuck, this video is for you. Are you frustrated because your NZXT Kraken pump keeps making a loud grinding or rattling noise, leaving you worried about cooling and system safety? This usually happens because the pump bearings are misaligned, the impeller is blocked, or the cooler hasn't been seated properly on the CPU. Most solutions you see on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to disassemble the pump completely or replace it, which can be risky and void warranties. On NZXT, I focus on simple and safe fixes. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that stops the grinding sound and restores smooth pump operation without disassembling the cooler or voiding your warranty. This method involves checking and reseating the pump, adjusting mounting pressure, and ensuring proper power connection to eliminate noise. It works on most NZXT Kraken models, keeps your CPU safe, and takes only a few minutes. If your NZXT Kraken pump is making grinding noises, and you want it quiet and stable again, this fix can solve it fast. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing every step clearly, comment below and let NZXT know, and I will guide you until your Kraken pump runs silently and smoothly again.